My name is ROHITH Kumar, and I completed my graduation from Orange Engineering Institute of Technology, Chikmagalur. I joined Qspiders in the month of October. Basically, I'm a non-IT person. That means my branch is civil. Before joining to Qspiders, I was not aware about the opportunities available in the IT sector. But later, as I joined Qspiders, I got to know about the uh, opportunities available in the IT sectors for the non-IT persons also. And as I joined Qspiders in the month of October, initially I was SQL classes was started for me by Murli sir. Later, manual classes was started for us, which was taken parallelly by Pradeep sir and SKR sir. Uh, and during this course time, they used to encourage us a lot, and they used to motivate us a lot about how your time will also come. You have to just wait for that one particular time when you will be getting the opportunity. And they used to make us understand the concepts in a very easy manner. Being a non-IT fellow, I thought it would be difficult for us to understand the concepts, but after joining Qspiders, I got to know that even a non-IT person can also understand the concepts in a very simpler manner. I got placed in a very good company with a very good package.